So what's up mga kasipnayan? For today's video, we will be talking about tips and tricks on how to solve a word problem. Big word, right? So if you listen throughout this video, I hope you will be learning something because we will be teaching you again tips and tricks on how to solve a word problem. We all know mathematics is full of problems indeed. We can't deny that, right? So for today, we will be helping you solve those problems. Yes, you heard it right. Okay, without further ado, let us start with work problem. And here we have our first problem. It's orange season. Josh and Alan decided to harvest their oranges in their orchard. They both filled the sack of oranges for 4 hours working together. Alan came back the next morning to continue harvesting and he filled the sack for 6 hours. How many hours will it take Josh to fill a sack alone? So the first thing and the most important thing for you to do is to analyze the question. Then list down the given. So here our given is firstly the hours they worked together, which is 4 hours. And the hours that Alan worked alone, which is 6 hours. Let this be our representation. Then we will be using this formula. 1 over T sub Aj, or the hours they work together, is equal to 1 over T sub A plus 1 over T sub J. Then substitute the values. We'll get 1/4 is equals to 1 over 6 plus 1 over x because we will be finding the hours that Josh worked alone. Let's multiply that by 24x. Then we'll get 6x is equals to 4x plus 24. Combining like terms, we'll get 6x minus 4x plus equals to 24. Then we'll get 2x is equals to 24. Divide that both sides by 2. We'll get x is equals to 12 hours. Then that's it. 12 hours is the number of hours that Josh worked alone filling a sack of oranges. Now let's go to our next problem, which is the age problem. Here is our next problem. Zen is 8 years older than his brother. Next year, she will be twice as his age. How old is Zen next year? Again, first analyze the question. The question here is, how old is Zen next year? Now, let us use x be Zen's brother's age today. Then we'll add 8 to it since Zen is 8 years older than his brother plus 1 year next year. And it is also equals to twice of his brother's age. Then we'll get x plus 9 is equals to 2x plus 2. Combining like terms, 2x minus x equals to 9 minus 2. We'll get x equals to 7. That is now his brother's age. Then we'll add that up to the formula above. Then we'll get 7 plus 8 plus 1 is equals to 16. Then let us also substitute that to his brother's age, which is equals to x plus 1. Then we'll get 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. Therefore, next year, Z would be 16.